Knock knock.
Who's there?
Rocky.
Rocky who?
Rock monster!
Okay, we don't have rock monsters, but we have lots of rocks. And I don't know if you know this, Miss Bush loves rocks. And this is Eleanor. We love to collect rocks together. We just put them in paper bags, we put them in egg cartons, and collecting rocks can be lots of fun.
Mom made a whole collection and I made of mine, and we joined them together and we made of mine, but we still sell it.
So
I love rocks.
This week,
new ones.
Go collect some
These
rocks.
are my favorite.
Go find some rocks and start learning about how to describe rocks. Our learning is to learn about these words to describe rocks. Color is the color of the rock, and some have more than one color. Texture is how the rock feels, bumpy or smooth or rough. Crystals. Some rocks have big crystals, some have medium crystals, some rocks have no crystals. And shape. Some rocks are more round like a circle or a ball. Some are more rectangular, some have triangles. Some rocks have no shape really, and we call those ones irregular. So we are going to use these words to describe rocks. To start your work, you need a rock, so go outside and find one, or 12, or 5. It can be any rock you find anywhere. Go.
This is my eyeball. No, it's a rock.
Find a rock, not an eyeball, and it can be fancy or ordinary. Just find something you can describe.
It's not a rock. It's a crystal!
And what's the color of your crystal?
White and clear.
What is the texture of your crystal?
Beautiful, pretty, shiny.
Is it smooth or is it rough?
Both. Kind of both.
Where's
It's like a little bumpy on the bottom and then smooth at the top.
Okay. What are the crystals like? Are there crystals or no crystals?
They're like crystals that join together and make one triangle.
And what's the shape? Is it like square, triangle, smooth, like a circle?
Like triangles, because it's flat at the bottom mostly. And mostly like triangles at the top.
Thanks. You can make a video to describe your rock like you saw, or you could write about it and draw about it, or you could try a different app called Chatterpix if you want a silly and fun challenge.
We are Eleanor's favorite rocks. I am the one with sparkles, sparkly.
And I am the shiny one.
Because your name is Shiny.
And what are your colors?
Mine is golden and brown. Because the sparkles are golden.
My colors are white and clear. What's your texture?
Mine is shaped like a D.
Oh, that's a good shape. Hi, Eleanor. Can you tell the kids how you sorted your rocks?
Smooth.
Smooth. What else?
Bumpy.
Bumpy. What else?
Sparkly.
Sparkly.
Stripes.
Stripes.
Mom, it's what stripes.
I like.
And I did and Shiny.
Thank you, Eleanor. Anything else?
My favorite.
Hi there, Horace Man. So this is Schoology on a teacher computer. I'm going to come up to the 3 lines and touch. And now I'm going into this course, and you can go to different courses. Our assignment this week is called Rock Collection. It's right here at the top. You can see there are some videos for you to watch. The first one is information, and it's going to talk to you and teach you about how to see rocks and how to describe the properties of rocks. The next one, my son thinks this one's funnier and better than the first one. I thought the first one was better. But here it is. It's play video. This is called Study Jams. Study Jams has great science videos and explains big ideas in about 3 minutes, which is wonderful. After you view the whole video, you click X to go back. Here are the directions from Miss Bush. I want you to watch all of my directions. This will explain how to do your assignment.
Knock, knock.
Who's there? And this is the video you're watching right now. Here you go. The pencil is the assignment. After the pencil, the Keynote file you need for your assignment is linked there. And if you need more help with Schoology and Keynote, there is a help video there. Your assignment is here. Whenever you are in an assignment, you can click View the Attachments. There it is, the Keynote. The directions say watch the video directions, find rocks, describe the rocks, sort the rocks, and add pictures to Keynote and turn it in. Your Keynote looks like this. And I find that Keynotes work pretty well with Schoology. Right now you can only see it, so I hit this box with an arrow, and I'm going to bring it into Keynote so I can work with it. Oh, Keynote, where did you go? Where did you go, Keynote? There it is. Once you are in Keynote, you can add your own pictures, add your own words, and then you can turn it back in on Schoology. Come on, Keynote. Yep, open. Thank you, Keynote. Here it is. For your assignment, I would love you to get your own rocks in your own rock collection. So find a rock you really like and describe the color, texture, crystals, and shape. The plus down there is where you can add a picture. You click it and it lets you add a picture to your own Keynote. Right here, don't leave the picture of the caterpillar. Get your own rock collection, which is like 4 or more rocks, and then sort it and tell me how you're sorting. You should be sorting by some of those properties like color, texture, crystals, shape. If you just cannot find your own rocks, and you are going to learn the most from finding your own rocks, but if you can't, here you go. Miss Bush has given you a piece of amethyst from Thunder Bay, Canada, and you can describe the amethyst. And if you cannot get your own rock collection, maybe you have one rock of your own to describe, but not a whole collection, you can sort this rock collection and then explain how you sort. And that's your work for the week. When you are done adding your own words here, you hit the 3 dots, you hit share. We are going to share this on Schoology, and you have to hit more. There's Schoology, and you get to turn it into an assignment. And this will look different for Miss Bush because I don't have kid assignments, so I would have to find a teacher assignment to turn it in for. And I don't want to turn this in for my assignment. But there we go. Miss Bush has to discard this one. That is your work for the week.